and welcome back to OtherBuys. Today I'm going to show you how to change the wiper blades on your car. So I've got a VW Polo, so to check that you've got the right wiper blades, you can have a look on Amazon where I got these. I'll put a link in the description, or you can go on a site like Halfords and just put your reg in and then it will show you. So these are the front ones. Two wiper blades in here, so different sizes. You just need to find the one that's the right size. Dead easy. Lift your wiper blade up, push the button and pull it out like that, and pop that in and it should slide in. Eventually. There you go. So that's that one done. And then go on the other side, do the same, lift it up, push the button in, pull it out. Bit of force. Done. So now we'll do the back one. Get the wiper blade out. Okay, similar, lift it up, push the button, pull it out, slot it back in, done. Now hopefully you found that video useful. One more thing I wanted to mention is that with your wiper blades, it's just worth paying the extra to get premium ones, because they're really not that much more expensive. They'll do the job better and last longer. These Bosch ones I had previously lasted me a few years with daily use, all sorts of weather. So yeah, if you want to get these Bosch ones, check the description for a link to get them on Amazon. If you've liked this video and you found it useful, please like and follow us, subscribe. It really helps us out. Thanks very much, guys.